In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up signing groups in Docusign in the easiest way possible. Whether you're managing a small team or navigating large corporate agreements, organizing signing groups can streamline your processes remarkably. Let's dive into it step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the Docusign website, known for its prowess in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. This platform's navigation is user-friendly and makes the task at hand much simpler. Once there, look for the Login button. It should be prominently displayed at the upper right corner of the home page, making it easy to access your account. With your Docusign credentials handy, go ahead and log in. If it's your first time, you might need to create an account, but assuming you're all set, logging in will take you to the Docusign home interface, which serves as your dashboard for all operations within the platform. Once you're on the home page of Docusign, direct your attention to the admin section. It's usually located in a designated area that's easy to spot. Click on Admin, which is your gateway to managing various settings, including user permissions, templates, and importantly for us, signing groups. Next, within the admin interface, you'll need to click on Groups. This option allows you to manage and organize different teams, departments, or signing groups according to your or your organization's needs. Groups function much like teams, offering you the ability to regulate and streamline the signing processes according to your organizational structure. Once you're inside the Groups section, look for the Actions menu. Clicking on Actions will present you with additional options tailored for managing your groups. Here you have the ability to create, modify and personalize signing groups, which can save you time and improve collaboration across your projects. Configuring signing groups is especially beneficial as it allows you to add multiple signers within a single group. This means when you send out documents for signing, you can address an entire group rather than individual members, ensuring no one is left out of the loop. It's a neat feature that enables you to adapt your document workflow to match the unique dynamics of your team or department. Finally, remember that while setting up groups in Docusign is straightforward, always double check your settings to ensure confidentiality and correct permissions. Clear understanding of each group member's role will further refine your signing process and minimize errors. And there you have it, you've now set up signing groups in Docusign in a few simple steps. This organization can go a long way in boosting your operational efficiency and ensuring smoother transaction flows. I hope this guide made the process clear and manageable. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore Docusign further to make the most of its comprehensive features.